You know, they say money talks, but all mine ever says is goodbye. And I thought I was the only one until I realized that even the coins are always saying change is coming. But today we're about to change that narrative. So buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of budgeting. And no, it's not as scary as it sounds. It's just like dieting, but for your wallet. First things first, let's talk about understanding your income. Imagine your paycheck is a pizza. You wouldn't just gobble the whole thing in one go, would you? No. You'd slice it up, right? Well, the same goes for your income. Slice it up into sections. Rent, groceries, utilities, and that sneaky little slice for the late-night ice cream cravings. Now, onto savings. Picture a piggy bank. No, not the cute porcelain one you smashed when you were 5. I'm talking about a big, sturdy, virtual piggy bank. Every month, feed it a bit of your paycheck. It's like feeding a pet. But this one doesn't poop on your carpet. It just grows bigger and fatter over time. But what about those impulse purchases? You know, that limited edition comic book or that flashy pair of shoes that you just had to have. Well, think of them as seagulls. They swoop in, steal your chips, and leave you with nothing but regret. So next time you see a seagull, an impulse buy, shoo it away. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And then we have the dreaded B word, bills. They are like that one relative who always shows up uninvited. But just like you can't prevent Uncle Bob from showing up at your doorstep, you can't prevent bills from coming in, but you can prepare for them. Just set aside a piece of your paycheck pizza for them and you'll be fine. Now, you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but I'm not an accountant. How am I supposed to keep track of all this? Well, there are plenty of budgeting apps out there that can help. Think of them as your personal Alfred to your Batman, always there to assist you with your financial battles. In the end, remember, budgeting doesn't mean you can't have fun. It just means you're planning to have future fun. It's like making sure you have enough popcorn for the whole movie, not just the previews. So, go on, get out there and start slicing your paycheck pizza. Give your piggy bank a meal. Shoo away those seagulls. And remember, Uncle Bob, bills are inevitable. But with a bit of planning, you can handle them with ease. And hey, if all else fails, remember this. If you think nobody cares if you're alive, try missing a couple of payments. Let your budget work for you.